recycling rice husk, straw and other agricultural wastes, turning these wastes into higher valuable charcoal. This is feeding conveyor. Size of raw material should be under 25 mm. This part is preheating ignition system, diesel burner. There is an observation hole. If you see flame, the ignition is successful. This rotary carbonization furnace is automatic. You could control production by the operating cabinet. There are also natural gas, gasifier burner. Features are smokeless and 24 hours continuous production. Finished charcoal can be sold directly or deep processing into BBQ shisha charcoal.